Hello everybody, welcome to IT Skills channel. Welcome to the channel. My name is Aiden. In today's video, we're going to take a look at vibe coding in more context. Vibe coding, it's basically using AI to make any code you want to. You can use your prompt, your natural language, and the AI will code for you and it will make whatever you want. And a good example of vibe coding is from none other than co-founder or CEO. In this case, Google CEO is spending his free time using vibe coding. He's basically messing with our AI. And vibe coding is actually very interesting because we all have brilliant ideas. We all have ideas that we wanted to bring it to life. But sometimes we just don't have the technical ability, or we do not have, especially in that area, in the field. With vibe coding, we all gonna have that same specialty. So one of the things I've been doing with vibe coding is I've been using my ChatGPT to just make things. Like I could make something where you can give me a little script with the prompts. And then the one that I like the most when it comes to vibe coding is gonna be Gemini. Gemini, for some reason, it's really on different level when it comes to in terms of what it can do with the code and everything else. It's just really good. I really like Gemini. Here's what I made with Gemini recently. Let's see, can I find it? That's my wrong account. Let me connect to my account here. I basically went ahead, created a PowerShell. What I told it to do, Gemini, is like I wanted to get my computer processes, and I told Gemini to get me basically will get me that. Let me show you the script. And I feel like this is the future now. You can see here, I said my computer memory and CPU is very high. I would like to get to see what's running and blah. So you can make your prompt specific, and the computer will take, or the AI will take that prompt and will make whatever you want for you. It will format it for you. It will just make it happen for you. This is amazing. And this is where I will actually start to have my 8-year-old, 6-year-old, and 3-year-old start to do the same thing. Because I believe with a couple of prompts, they can probably create a nice web page. The other thing you could do with this is you could come up with any idea, any dream that you had of making something fancy to make your life easier. This can accomplish for you. It's really easy, and all you have to do is prompt it away, and this will be possible for you. So this script, for example, it will look like this. So not that one. That's something else I'm doing with vibe coding too. So this is what the script looks like. We're just gonna use V1 over here. So if I come over here, this is what the script is. It's gonna enhance everything else. So let me go ahead and actually clear everything. So the AI gave me the script, and if I run it now, the script will look something like this. And this is something a lot of us may say, what is this? It's not a big deal, but you can see it tells me that my CPU utilization 97%, and my memory utilization is my memory is 40 gigabyte of memory, is really high. And so a CPU usage is 2.4, it's considered very low and whatnot. So point of the matter is that we're gonna basically see a lot of that we're using without having to do a whole lot of code or write anything else for it. So if you look at my task manager, you can see here, this is what is giving me the real data right now. My memory is 89% used. My CPU is 3% used. So it gives me that. And this number will update every time. Basically, it will update. So you can see here I use 2.5 and I have 97 available. So, but the memory, I'm not doing so good because Windows likes to consume that. And it tells you here, modern computer, to go ahead and use free RAMs for caching to improve performance. So that's why it's telling me this is normal. All this is done with a simple code, and this is something that as a system guy, whichever you want to be, you can make your life easier. And you can see here, it tells me what program and application is taking that. So yeah, one of the examples that you could do with vibe coding, just write your script or website application to do that for you. I actually did another website recently, and I'll show you here. If I come over here, this is my Azure front, not Azure, but I did a couple things with a GPT-4. I end up coding in this website. And so let me open up, and we will open this whole folder up. It's opened up. Now we can go ahead to the back end. First of all, click on here, new terminal, and then we can, from this point on, we can just go ahead to CD backend, and then we can go ahead, node server.js is running. So now if I click control, this is the Node.js server is running, right? The next thing is we're going to do the same thing with the front end application. So I went ahead and come here to the terminal. And then again, I'm not a developer. I'm just showing you this is possible with just no effort at all. So now you can hit enter. Now I'm going to hit npm start. This will start the application. It's supposed to be a web-based application. Supposed to be IT management application, so it's supposed to do that. So it's gonna go ahead and keep doing the development, and it's gonna show me in a second what it looks like. I have several versions, so hopefully I'm showing the right version. But the whole purpose again is that you do not have to be a developer. You can see here I have a website that has my logo, and it has a couple things like where you can do things, and this is one of the things that I can make it even better and refine it. And before you know it, I could even bring this to production. And I basically did this again with just the prompts, showing you that you don't have to be a developer to do it. Let's do this another thing. We're gonna open, I think, another website. We're gonna try another code I have, and we're gonna try probably here this one, GPT-4 Deep. Okay, could open this one. Same thing again. We're gonna go ahead and open a new terminal. And then from this point on, we're going to go to the back end. Again, whenever you're doing vibe coding, you are new to this world of coding, you do need to make it easier for you. So that's why I always create a front end. So this open again. If I open it, the server is running. And let's just make sure that it's not running on the same thing. So point of the matter is that vibe coding is here. We have to get used to it. We have to do it. And another thing I could do is I could show you guys live how you do it. But again, my prompts is simple. You can go ahead, start with anything. But I do want to say disclaimer. It's all test data. Do not do this on a production environment. If your company has a policy against it, or do not put any personal identifying information in there, PII data. Be careful. It's still public LLM, so anybody can access this data. Don't put any sensitive information there. And yeah, on vibe coding, make something cool. Or an IT administration, you need to do something. Even if you're not in IT, you try to see how much of this you can do. AI is there for us to use the tool. Let's use it and let's get better at it. Until next time, guys, have a good day. And also thank you for the members of the IT Skills channel for being a member, helping us out. And those of you who are not a member, please consider becoming a member. Subscribe if you like this video. Until next time, peace.